This is a 2010 Corvette supercharged ZR1. So here's the walk around video. This is after paint correction. I'll show you what I used. Carbon fiber top, sail panel. All the glass was polished. All the paint was polished. Wheels and tires cleaned. Wheels were hand polished with Bead It Up. And considering this car is 13 years old, it looks like the day it rolled off the assembly line. Probably even better. And it does have this really cool clear panel to showcase the cover over the supercharger. And then real quickly, here's what I used. So in case you own a Corvette or any car that you would like to detail and then ceramic coat, just to give you an idea what it takes, here's what I used. Car wash, wheel cleaner, tire cleaner. This is a clay detailing towel to remove the contamination. For the initial cut, I used a wool pad with the Rotary 3D ACA 500. Okay, very aggressive compound. Took out 99% of all the swirls and scratches. Came back and repolished with the 3D 502. It looks like I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 foam pads for the polishing step. And what's interesting is you can actually see this kind of brownness that build up on the pad here. And that's a road film or traffic film that builds up on the outside of cars. It's a film of dirt. And it builds up over time and it doesn't wash off. So the only way to get it off is to polish it off. Then for the coating, first I wiped the whole car down with 3D wipe, which is a panel wipe to remove any polishing oils. And then I used the new 3D, this is the new Graphene Infused ceramic coating. I put 2 layers on the entire car. Not much left in the bottle there. And then I have not topped it with Bead It Up, but I will, and I'll teach the owner how to use this to take care of it. Tires I hit with magic glue dressing. This tool here, this Flex Rotary with 2 batteries and a charger, is $600. The Cordless Beast, which is what this tool is, about the same price, $500–600. So, you know, to do what I did here, if you didn't have the tools, you'd be into this for about $1,300. To just buy all the products, the coating's about $160 for the 2 quarts, the compound and the polish, roughly. You know, maybe $250 in chemicals and lots of towels. So it's something that you can do yourself. It's not that hard. Just take your time, and you can get all these products up at 3dproducts.com.